I don't sleep much at nights. The pain is so bad. So, let's see if the blade off it there. So, I tell myself, say, I'm going to use this towel and I'm going to make, no, sure no good. I'm going to make a little something in it that I can peep upon it. So, I get one of the garbage bag. I'm going to make a plastic, put the plastic inside it. So that I can peep upon it. Because when me get up at night and when the blood gush through the vein, me not sleep. Me scream and bawl whole night so the entire community can hear me a bawl. So last night me wake up about 2:30, 1 pp. I don't know how to pee on the towel. Me I try to say to my husband, say, me not have his organ, me have mine. So me not know how he must say me fi just pee. Me in my right mind, the bladder and the brain is a psychological effect. So, me can't just pee like that. And for 3 hours, me lay down and negotiate how to pee on the towel. So, me say to him, say, me go lift myself up and you push the towel under my bum. He find that too hard to do. So, him not do it. So, me lie down there so till me couldn't lie down no more. Me take time, get up and hop and go a bathroom. Because he's saying that me spend how much money and buy a protector, cover the mattress. So I'm not see no reason where me have where if me pee and it wet up, I don't no problem because the mattress protected plus me have this. So why me so peculiar if anything touch the bed? And that happened for actually 4 hours at this morning. And then when me get up go pee, the pain was so bad. The pain take another 1 hour to calm down. So this morning, me get one little 1 hour nap. So here am I with the towel same way. So me ask him to make one crutch because the walking stick now work. Too much pressure go on the leg when me stand up. So we have some board around there. Me ask him to make one crutch stick so that me can swing on it. Hopefully that work. We can get a little ease.